Good morning to all my viewers. My today's video is on how to write capital and small cursive together. So here I go with capital and small cursive together. So I have already taught how to write capital cursive and how to write small cursive. Now today I will teach how to write both the letters together, capital and small. So again I start from the third line. First I will write capital A. Don't pick your pencil. Capital A. With this we will write small cursive A. So capital A and small a together. Now again you will take two finger gaps and after that we will write letter B. And with this only we will write small cursive B. And don't make a loop here. See that the child doesn't write like this. This is not the correct formation. So after B again to take two finger gap and write letter C, capital C, and with this small c. After this put two fingers, write letter D and small letter D. After this, we will write letter E, capital E. First you will make small e, then half c and turn little bit inside, and with this we will write small e. See that a child makes an I or a loop inside this small e. Many children write a very small e like this. So this I should be seen in letter E. So after letter E, we will write letter F. Capital F and small f. After this, letter G. First make letter L, then U, come down, make a loop and close it. This is capital G, and with this only we write small g. After this, we write letter H. Don't pick your pencil. Remember that you don't have to pick your pencil and you have to make a curve like this. Capital H, and this is small h. And please make loop when you are making letter H, small letter H. Many children make H like this. So remember that you have to make a loop when you are writing letter H. After H, I write letter I. Now, we'll write first, make a crescent moon shape and we'll go up and come down straight and turn little bit, a curve like Dadaji ki chhadi. Then, small I and put a dot after completing the letter. After I, we'll write letter J. In this, you have to touch the red danger line and now close the loop on the third line, and now with this we'll make small j. Here also you have to make a loop, close the loop, and after writing the letter, put a dot. Now we'll write letter K. Go up, make a curve. Now from the red line come down and make a small loop on the outside of the standing line and turn from the front, a small curve in the front. And now we write small k. First make letter L, go up and then a circle, half circle type and a slanting line and curve, and with curve. This is letter K. After this we will write letter L. In L also you have to make a loop, up loop and a down loop without picking your pencil. This is letter L, capital L, and now with this we will write small l, come down straight. Try to close the loop on this second line. Many of the children, how they write? They write letter L. Some of the children close the loop here, and many of the children close the loop at the down. So remember that the loop should be closed on the second blue line, first blue line, sorry. Now after L, we'll write letter M. First, we'll start from the third line. Now from down to up you will go straight up. Now make letter V, capital V, come down and turn from this side. This is letter M. With this we will write letter small m. This is letter M. See, in this, many I have seen so many of start the letter M from here. This is also right. You can start M from here. But why we are starting M from here? See, I have started M from here. The reason behind it is when children write this, they make like this. So it looks four legs. So because to avoid this mistake, we ask the children to start your M from the, not from the bottom, little bit up. Okay. After M, we will move to letter N. Up, down, slanting, then straight up and a curve. Now N also will start from here. We'll take one and two turn. This is letter N. After letter N, we write letter O. Don't close it. You have to turn without, don't touch this. Before touching this, you have to close it from inside. This is letter O and a small o. Please remember that when you are closing, you have to come till this end point, and from here you will make a loop. And the reason for is there is so many children who make O like this, but they don't come till end. They make turn from here only. They turn from here only. So the thing you have to remember is when you write small o, first make a O, then come from where you have started. You have to come when you make a loop, come till end, go inside and then turn it. This is small o. After letter O, we'll write letter P. Letter P is same like letter B, only one circle you have to make in letter P. Now, small p, go up at this line and a curve. And in this also remember that don't make loop in letter P. We don't make loop in letter P. After P, we'll write letter Q. Same like letter O. First make letter O. Now from here, touch the line here, and from here you will make a tail. This is letter Q. Now small q, first make letter C, then close it, go up, come down, and then a slanting line. This is letter small q. After this, we will write letter R, same like first you will write letter P, then close, make a loop here inside. In K we have made the loop outside, and in R we will make the loop inside. This is letter R, capital R. Now small cursive R, make a loop and turn. And remember that in letter small r you will not touch this line. It is turned below this first blue line. Remember that you don't touch this blue line. Okay, after letter R we will write letter S. Go slanting. Now make a loop and close the loop on this blue line. Your loop should be closed here. Then turn back, come and touch this blue line and go inside. We tell this why to make this loops here and here, so that the child should be aware that he or she has to close the loop here, and he or she has to come here and go inside. So this point should be remembered. And in small s, we don't make a loop. It is written same like that, but we don't make a loop. Now touch this line and make a shape like this. We make this, we come, why we do like this? We come till here and come again out. We can stop here also. Why we make a end here? So that we end with this, so that when a child join any other letter with letter S, it is very easy to join. So we end it with here. Now after S, we will write letter T. Letter T is same like letter F. This is letter T. In letter F, we draw a sleeping line here. In letter T, we don't make a sleeping line. And now small t, go up, come down and turn it. Dadaji ki chhadi, remember this, and make a sleeping line. Now sleeping line can be on the blue line or it can be above blue line. Both are right. The thing you have to remember is that in P and T, we don't make a loop. It is both are wrong. Even many of the children make loop in D also. So in these three letters, we don't make loop in letter P, letter T and letter D. Now after T, we'll write letter U. Now all these letters are same. Capital U and small u. Both are same, and it is very easy for the children to write letter U and small u. Now we'll come to letter V. It is also written like same like letter U. The only thing is that in this we have to go slanting, go up and don't make a loop. This also I have told why don't we make a loop. Please watch my other videos in which I have told why we don't make the loop in small v and capital V. After this, we'll write letter W. One time U, come down, and other U, and we'll don't make a loop in letter W also. Small w is written same as capital W. After this, we'll write letter X, and small x is also written same as capital X. Don't pick your pencil. Without picking your pencil, you have to write. So I have written till here. Now my two letters Y and Z I am writing here. Now letter Y is written same like letter U. First we will make letter U in the three lines. Now come down, make a loop here, and the loop should be close here and end here. Now small u Y, same like capital. 4. These are made in 4 lines, and these are made in small y is made in bottom 3 lines. Now capital Z, first go up, come down, then without picking your pencil you have to move up, make a curve, ulta C you can say. Now you can make a loop here, and your loop should be closed on the 3rd line. And small z is also written same like this. It is written in bottom 3 lines. Go up, come down and close your loop. So this is how we write capital and small cursive together. When the child learns both the letters together, after that we make them write how to join the letters, 3 letters, 4 letters and so on. So thank you. Please watch my video.